Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are good and doing something good in your life. So today we are going to start our new chapters Metal and Metals of class 10th. I hope you enjoy this video and I will give you a sense regarding this chapter that whatever I am writing here, you just have to go through it. If you like the content, then share with your friends and subscribe the channel, okay? So just starting our concept, okay? So, my dear students, chapter name is Metal and Non-Metal. First, we are going to discuss this topic as a physical property. So, physical properties of metal. Now, before doing this thing, we have to go through the data. We all know that till now, there is total 118 elements. Total 118 elements in front of us, and these elements classified into three parts: metal, non-metal, metalloids. Now another question come in front of us that how many metals are there, how many non-metals and how many metalloids. So number of metalloids is 7, okay, metal is 93 and non-metal is 80. So actually concept is here that, sir, what is element? What is element? So element is nothing, made up of single kind of atom, made up of single kind of atom. Now another question come in front of us. Who was the first element in 118 elements? Which was the first element that discovered? So phosphorus was the first element discovered. Now another question comes. Who discovered? So it discovered by Henning Brandt. Henning Brandt discovered phosphorus. In attempt to find philosopher stones, Henning Brandt goes to find philosopher stone, but he discovered phosphorus. And basically, phosphorus is a nanometal. Now, one problem come in front of us to classification that, so we are very difficult to classify which one is metal, which one is non-metal, and which one is metalloid. So, बच्चे, if I write in here sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, argon, silicon, carbon, helium, hydrogen. We all know that atomic number of sodium is 11, magnesium is 12, phosphorus is 15, calcium is 20, and argon is 18, and silicon is 14, and carbon is 6, hydrogen is 1, and helium is 2. So electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8, 1. Magnesium is 2, 8, 8, 2. Phosphorus is 2, 8, 5. Sorry, 2, 8, 2. 2, 8, 8, 2. 2, 8, 8. 2, 8, 4. 2, 4. I am giving you most versatile points here. You just observe the concept what I am giving you. 1 and here 2. Remember that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In a last orbit, there is a 1, 2, 3 electrons. So generally, not every time, generally they are metals. 5, 6, 7 nanometal and 8 noble gas and 4 metal wise. Now you observe this one is outermost electron, and outermost electron is nothing, it's generally a valence electron. So valence electron is 1 to 3, it is a metal. So metal, 2 metal, 5 non-metal, 2 metal, 8 novel gas. Here we write Ig means inert gas. 4 metal white. Again here 4 comes in. But remember, this is an exception, it is a non-metal. 1 you say metal not, none. 2 it came under noble gas. Why? Because its outermost electron orbit is filled, octet is filled, its orbital is filled. That's why it is not a metal, it is a novel gas. So basically I give you an idea about what actually happening about metal and non-metal classification. I hope you like the concept and take a screenshot. After that we move to the next point. Now बच्चे, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वह भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और प्रेम भाव का जग का है वह लीला, वह भारत देश है मेरा. हाउ आर यू बच्चा? वेरी गुड सर, थैंक यू सर. ओके बच्चा पाटी. So now observe metal. Generally, metal is an electropositive element. Electropositive element. Why? Because they lose electron. If they lose electron, they get positive charge. And positive charge carrier are cations. I hope up to here no problem to you. Metals are what? Electropositive element. Why? Because they lose electron. If they lose electron, they carry positive charge, and positive charge carrier are called cations. So first property clear. Another point comes. This one is a malleable. Metal is malleable. So now question come, what is malleable? Malleable means beaten into thin sheets. Malleable means beaten into thin sheets. Okay, we can beat a metal. You see aluminum foils, anything. How they come? First we beat them, hammering them, and we can change their shape. So it is a malleable. Metal show this property, malleable. Now question come, which one is your best? So answer is gold, and symbol of gold is Au, and silver, and symbol is Az. So now question come, bad one. So bad one is nothing, it is sodium, potassium, and Hg means mercury. Now another point, this one is your first, second, third. Ductile. Ductile means what, bachcha? Drawn into thin wire. Drawn into thin wires. It means metal has a property to draw into thin wires. First point. Okay, sir. So question from best one. Gold, silver, copper. So that you see a wire is made up of metal. Why? Because it has a property to draw into thin wire. And now question come bad one. So bad one is nothing, it is sodium, potassium, and mercury. After that we observe to another point, that key point right here. 1 gram of gold can be drawn into 2.5 kilometer long wire. It is 2. We can draw 1 gram of gold into 2.5 kilometer long wire. This one as much good. So it's considered in a best ductile matter, gold. Now take a screenshot. After that we have to discuss to another point. I hope up to you have no any doubts. Okay sir. Thank you sir. Now bacha, going to another topics. Another point of the matter. You just go through the concept what I am writing here. Do revision, make a notes. This one is enough for you. I am giving you the brief explanation of the topic of metals. So I will not miss any single question from this topic in examination. Now, metal is lustrous. Lustrous means shine. Metal are lustrous. Okay. Another point. Metal are solid at room temperature. And I hope you know the value of room temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. At room temperature, metal are solid. But here is an exception. Exception is Hg, mercury. Will you know the scientific name of mercury? If you know, then answer me. Comment me. Okay? Mention in a comment box that what is the scientific name of mercury, Hg. Another point. Metals are generally hard and rigid due to a strong ionic bond they form or less intermolecular distance. A high intermolecular force of attraction. Particles are attached as like this. So it is very rigid and hard. But here one more concept comes. Metal like sodium and potassium are being cut by knife. So question comes, which metal cut by knife? So your answer is sodium and potassium are the metals that cut by knife. So it is not a hard metal. Okay. Another point, Vicha. Metals are sonorous. Sonorous means they produce sound. So we use in bell. You see in a school bell there is a metal. Why? Because if we beat it, it can produce so many sounds. So that we use in a bell. So metals are sonorous. This is also property of a metal. Take a screenshot. After that we move to the another points. We discuss some more topics, some more concept here. Okay. So बच्चे मन के सच्चे बेटा, just focus on your study. What you are doing now, everything gets changed in your life. Whatever you are and where are you right now, this is the time when you have to prove yourself. Prove yourself means what? You are not only a study for yourself. Right now you are working for your parents. Your result will fulfill the needs of your parents. The faith, the determination they expecting from you, you are going to fulfill it. Everything changed in your life just because of a study, because we are not so much multi-talented. We are an average student. I'm not talking about the toppers. We are talking about the average students. Our life is only changed by study, and we have only one weapons, only one gun machinery to fight with this society, with these relatives, just because of study. So today you work hard, tomorrow you get something good. So study yourself. Now you're coming 4 to 5 years, now is very tough for you. Don't mix, don't go to any bad habits, don't accept any bad things. This time you are not going to be a very cool. Be close to yourself. Close to yourself means what? Don't go in any other activities to do some fun, do as like this. Don't do like this. Because this time if you concentrate, now I am giving you assurance that you are going to score 95% plus. And the one who are capable for 95% plus, they may convert this 95% plus to 100 if now they concentrate. And if right now they distract, this 95% may convert it into 85%. Remember my words. So this is a time when you have to prove yourself. Okay? So another point, Bacha. We discuss metals are sonorous. Now, metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. We all know that, we have studied it very earlier. Now question come, which one? Good, best. So answer is silver, Ag. Okay, you also comment me the scientific name of silver if you know the answer. Another point, bacha, bad, Pb. Pb means lead. Lead means Pb. Look, one more question in front of you. Again comment me scientific name of lead. Another question, bacha. Hg, mercury. Okay? Now, bacha, metal has high melting point. Metal has high melting point. If metal has high melting point, okay, so which one is the highest? Highest one is tungsten. And symbol is W. I will tell you the scientific name of this one. Scientific name, Wolfram. Wolfram is the scientific name of tungsten. Just because of their high melting point, we use tungsten in the filament of a bulb. So just because of that, we can use tungsten in a filament of a bulb. I hope you got it. Now, bacha, another point. Here is also exception. What is exception, sir? Metal like. What metal like? Gallium. Gallium is Ga. And cesium. Cesium is Cs. Can melt on a